Do you think survival gadgets are expensive? Think again. I went deep into Temu, scrolling through hundreds of listings, and found 40 insane gadgets that could literally save your life, and most of them cost less than 20 bucks. Yes. These are smart, compact tools designed for real situations, from starting a fire in the rain to escaping your car in seconds. Hit that red button, and let's explore the world of Temu survival gadgets you never knew existed. Number 40. Fire Starter Kit. Starting a fire is Survival 101. This compact fire starter from Temu throws 3,000-degree sparks even on wet wood. It comes with a magnesium rod, striker, and scraper, all tucked into a waterproof case. It's durable, reliable, and works where lighters fail. Number 39. Tactical Paracord Bracelet. This might look like a regular bracelet, but it's actually a full survival kit on your wrist. You get 10 feet of paracord, a built-in compass, whistle, flint fire starter, and a small blade, all in one, perfect for campers, hikers, or anyone who believes in staying prepared. Number 38. Collapsible Water Bottle. Water storage made simple. This collapsible silicone bottle folds down flat when empty and expands when needed, saving precious space in your backpack. It's BPA-free, heat-resistant, and costs less than $5. Number 37. Emergency Thermal Blanket. A thermal blanket might seem basic until the temperature drops. This reflective, weatherproof sheet locks in 90% of your body heat and doubles as a makeshift tent or distress signal. It weighs almost nothing but could literally save your life. Number 36. Flint Lighter. This isn't your everyday lighter. It's windproof, waterproof, and designed for emergencies. With a built-in flint wheel and refillable fuel tank, it works in the cold, in the rain, and even after being dunked in water. Number 35. Pocket Compass. When GPS dies, this little compass becomes your best friend. It's shock-resistant, glows in the dark, and clips right onto your backpack. Small, simple, and absolutely essential for navigation. Number 34. Waterproof Matches. These aren't normal matches. They burn for 15 seconds straight, even underwater. Packed in an airtight case with a striker, they're perfect for emergency kits or rainy day camping. Number 33. Pocket Chainsaw. This pocket-sized chainsaw is no joke. It's made of carbon steel with sharp, dual-direction teeth that can cut through a thick branch in seconds. Compact, foldable, and ready for any wild situation. Number 32. Tactical Pen. Looks like an ordinary pen, right? But this pen writes, breaks glass, and doubles as a self-defense tool. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight, yet tough enough to shatter a car window or fend off an attacker. Number 31. Hand Crank Flashlight. No batteries? No problem. This hand crank flashlight gives you light anytime, anywhere. Just 1 minute of cranking powers it for 10 minutes. It's rainproof, compact, and fits right in your survival pack. Number 30. Multifunction Survival Shovel. This isn't your ordinary shovel. The Temu Tactical Survival Shovel folds down into a compact case, yet hides over 10 built-in tools, including a saw blade, fire starter, bottle opener, and even a fishing spear. Made from military-grade steel, it's tough enough to dig, chop, or defend if needed. It's the Swiss Army knife of shovels, and it looks awesome doing it. Number 29. Solar Power Bank with Flashlight. When you're off the grid, power means survival. This solar power bank charges itself under sunlight and features dual USB ports plus a built-in flashlight. It's waterproof, shockproof, and powerful enough to recharge your phone several times. One of those set-it-and-forget-it gadgets that earns its spot in every go bag. Number 28. Tactical UV Sunglasses. Protection isn't just about weapons. It's also about your vision. These polarized tactical sunglasses block UV 400 rays, reduce glare, and come with shatterproof lenses, perfect for desert hikes, driving, or survival missions in bright daylight. Number 27. Inflatable Camping Pillow. Comfort matters, even in the wild. This inflatable camping pillow weighs just 3 ounces, fits in your palm, and inflates in seconds. Waterproof, tear-resistant, and ergonomically shaped for neck support, because survival shouldn't mean sleepless nights. Number 26. Folding Survival Knife. This knife from Temu packs serious punch for under $10. It features a partially serrated stainless steel blade, built-in seatbelt cutter, and a glass breaker on the hilt. Compact, spring-assisted, and razor-sharp. This is one piece of gear that belongs in every bug-out bag. Number 25. Portable camping stove. Cooking in the wild? No problem. This mini foldable stove connects to any small gas canister and boils water in minutes. Lightweight, wind-resistant, and fits in your pocket. It's an essential for campers, hunters, or survivalists on the move. Number 24. Compact first aid kit. Preparation is everything. Temu's compact first aid kit comes stocked with over 100 items. Bandages, scissors, antiseptic wipes, 12 tweezers, safety pins, all in a waterproof case. Small enough for your glove box, powerful enough to save a life. Number 23. Magnetic flashlight glove. This one's straight up futuristic. Slip on these gloves and you get LED flashlights right on your fingertips. Perfect for night repairs, fishing, or emergencies when both hands need to work. Adjustable straps make them fit anyone, and the light angle is perfectly focused. You'll feel like Iron Man fixing a generator in the dark. Number 22. Foldable solar lantern. This solar lantern folds flat like a book, but expands into a bright cube that lights up your entire tent. Charges via sunlight or USB, lasts up to 10 hours, and even doubles as a phone power bank. A clean, sustainable light source when you're miles away from electricity. Number 21. Hand warmer and power bank. Cold nights can be brutal. This dual-function hand warmer heats up in seconds and doubles as a power bank for your phone. Rechargeable, pocket-sized, and shock-proof, a tiny gadget that brings warmth and safety when you need it most. We've seen compact tools and power-saving tech, but the next section is all about hardcore survival. From tactical axes to life-saving filtration systems, this is where things get intense. Number 20. Tactical Tomahawk. Number 20 is for true survivalists. The Temu Tactical Tomahawk Axe. Lightweight, yet made from high-carbon steel, it chops wood, clears brush, and can even be used for self-defense. The shock-absorbing handle reduces strain on your hands, and the folding design makes it pocketable in a bug-out bag. A multi-purpose tool that's ready for wilderness or emergency situations. Number 19. Military-grade Survival Bracelet. On your wrist, this isn't just an accessory, it's a lifeline. Made from Paracord, each bracelet can unravel up to 10 feet of cord, usable for shelter, fishing lines, or tying gear. It includes a whistle, fire starter, and tiny compass. Lightweight, waterproof, and stylish, survival has never looked this good. Number 18. Fire starter kit. Imagine you're stranded in the wild. Fire isn't a luxury, it's life. This compact kit includes ferro rods, waterproof matches, and striker tools. It sparks reliably even in wind and rain, giving you heat, light, and safety. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to last for years. Number 17. Water filtration bottle. Hydration is critical. This portable water filtration bottle removes 99.9% of bacteria and contaminants, turning rivers and streams into safe drinking water, BPA-free, lightweight, and shock-resistant. It's perfect for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. Number 16. Compact survival. Bow and arrows. For those who need self-sufficiency, this mini survival bow packs power in a small package. Adjustable draw length, lightweight aluminum arrows, and a compact bow frame make it easy to carry perfect for hunting small game or, as an emergency tool, traditional survival meets modern engineering. Number 15. Foldable Survival Multi-Tool. Kit. This multi-tool kit combines pliers, knives, saws, screwdrivers, and more in a foldable stainless steel package. From setting up camp to repairing gear, it has everything you need in one compact solution. Durable, ergonomic, and trusted by outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. Number 14. Inflatable Rescue Raft. Floods, rivers, or lakes, safety first. This ultralight inflatable raft inflates in minutes and supports up to 400 pounds. Made from reinforced PVC, it resists punctures and includes paddles and a compact storage bag, essential for emergency evacuation or spontaneous adventure. Number 13. Pop-up survival tent. Quick shelter can save lives. This pop-up tent sets up in seconds, is waterproof, wind-resistant, and folds flat for easy transport. It's compact enough for backpacks, yet spacious enough for 2 adults. Perfect for last-minute camping, hiking emergencies, or survival situations. Number 12. Portable weather radio. Knowledge is power, especially in the wild. This solar-powered hand-crank weather radio keeps you updated on storms, alerts, and emergencies. Includes flashlight, phone charger, and SOS siren, a small gadget with huge impact when communication is your lifeline. Number 11. 72-hour survival backpack. The ultimate survival kit. A 72-hour bug-out backpack equipped with water purification tablets, first aid, tactical tools, fire starter, and compact food packs. Durable, waterproof, and ergonomic. Designed for any emergency or off-grid adventure, everything you need for 3 days of self-sufficiency in one ready-to-go bag. Number 10. Solar-powered charger and lantern. Number 10 lights the way and powers your devices at the same time. This solar-powered charger doubles as a lantern with adjustable brightness and emergency SOS mode, compact, waterproof, and ultra-durable. It ensures you stay connected and visible even in complete darkness. Number 9. GPS satellite communicator. Number 9 is a game changer for remote adventures. With global satellite connectivity, you can send SOS signals, share your location, and communicate without cell service. Built rugged and water-resistant, it's your lifeline when getting lost isn't an option. Number 8. Tactical survival knife. Every survivalist needs a dependable blade. This tactical knife features a sharp stainless steel edge, built-in fire starter, and ergonomic grip. Perfect for cutting, prepping food, building shelter, or self-defense. Compact, versatile, and ready for anything. Number 7. All-weather sleeping bag. Sleep can be life or death in extreme conditions. This all-weather sleeping bag keeps you warm down to sub-zero temperatures, is water-resistant, and packs into a tiny, lightweight stuff sack. Comfortable, safe, and designed for harsh outdoor survival situations. Number 6. Solar-powered emergency radio. Stay informed with this multifunctional radio. It's solar-powered, crank-powered, and includes a flashlight and phone charging port, perfect for storms, power outages, or emergency prep. Knowledge plus light equals survival. Number 5. Tactical hiking boots. Number 5 protects your most valuable gear, your feet. Waterproof, lightweight, shock-absorbing, with slip-resistant soles, these boots are made for rugged terrain, long treks, and unpredictable weather. A small investment for safety, comfort, and endurance in the wild. Number 4. Advanced survival backpack. Number 4 is the ultimate storage solution for every survivalist. This backpack is packed with compartments for hydration, first aid, knives, fire starters, food, and emergency blankets. Waterproof, ergonomic, and built for ultra durability. It's a complete mobile survival station ready for any adventure. Number 3. Portable mini stove and cooking kit. Survive and thrive with this compact stove. Lightweight, fuel-efficient, and foldable, it lets you cook hot meals anywhere. Includes pot, pan, and utensils. All in a sleek survival kit hunger won't slow you down anymore. Number 2. Multi-tool flashlight combo. Number 2 combines light and functionality. This heavy-duty flashlight includes a knife, screwdriver, emergency whistle, and fire starter. Ultra-bright, rechargeable, and waterproof. It's like having a survival toolbox in your pocket. Number 1. All-in-one. Survival Tech Hub. And finally, the ultimate survival gadget, the all-in-one Survival Tech Hub. This device integrates solar power, GPS, satellite communication, water filtration, first aid compartment, multi-tools, and emergency alerts, all in one rugged portable unit. It's the Swiss Army knife of survival technology, designed to give you confidence, safety, and freedom in any extreme situation. And there you have it! 30 life-changing survival gadgets from Temu, from everyday helpers to extreme adventure lifesavers. Which one would you pack for your next trip? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech reviews and survival gear guides.